Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare GNC versus Optimum Nutrition, which is better. Tap the timeline to jump to product highlights, pricing, and ingredient comparisons. I'll guide you through protein profiles, amino acid content, additives, and flavor options in a friendly, straightforward way. Expect clear comparisons on value per serving, ingredient transparency, and flavor variety. By the end, you'll see which brand suits weight goals, taste preferences, and budget priorities. Now we'll dig into protein types, ingredient lists, and what matters most for performance and recovery. I'll explain whey isolates, concentrates, plant-based options, and how processing changes nutritional impact. We'll compare ingredient transparency, sweetener choices, and potential allergens so you can make an informed pick. I speak plainly about what to watch for on labels, how to read serving sizes, and which product types deliver the best value per gram. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and hit like if it helps you choose better supplements. Quick recommendation. I've been using leak-proof meal prep containers that make sticking to nutrition plans much easier, and they're a handy kitchen upgrade when comparing diets and supplements. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Grab a set if you like. Now let's get back to the video. Let's break down pricing, promotions, and real value so you stop overpaying for supplements. I'll compare cost per serving, typical sale patterns, and subscription benefits that lower long-term expense. We'll weigh flavor options and jar sizes against how often you'll actually use the product. I'll also highlight where one brand gives more servings or better ingredients for the price, helping you choose the smarter buy for your routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.